Let's define first this virus. According to World Health Organization, coronavirus disease COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that are known to cause illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, and severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS. Detailed investigations found that SARS-CoV was transmitted from civet cats to humans in China in 2002 and MERS-CoV from dromedary camels to humans in Saudi Arabia in 2012. Several known coronaviruses are circulating in animals that have not yet infected humans. As surveillance improves around the world, more coronaviruses are likely to be identified. The current COVID-19 pandemic is caused by a coronavirus named SARS-CoV-2. Coronaviruses, CoVs, are a large family of viruses, several of which cause respiratory diseases in humans, from the common cold to more rare and serious diseases such as the severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, MERS, both of which have high mortality rates and were detected for the first in 2003 and 2012, respectively. CoVs are divided into four genera: alpha, beta, gamma, and delta CoV. All CoVs currently known to cause disease in humans belong to the alpha or the beta CoV. Many of these CoVs can infect several animal species as well. SARS-CoV infected civet cats and infected humans in 2002, and MERS-CoV is found in dromedary camels and infected humans in 2012. A virus that is regularly transmitted from an animal to a human is called a zoonotic virus. When a virus passes from animals to humans for the first, it is called a spillover event. When a new virus is discovered, it is important to understand where it comes from. To identify the source or origin of a virus, it is helpful to look at the genetic makeup of the virus and see whether it resembles other known viruses. This may provide some clues as to its origin. Viruses that are genetically closely linked tend to come from a similar source or similar geographic area. SARS-CoV-2, the virus responsible for COVID-19, belongs to a group of genetically related viruses that includes SARS-CoV and a number of other CoVs isolated from bat populations. MERS-CoV also belongs to this group but is less closely related. It is also necessary to investigate and interview in depth the first known human cases of the disease for indications as to where they may have become infected. This may help identify earlier possible cases and narrow the geographical areas and frames so that more specific investigations could be performed to identify the source. Currently, the zoonotic source of SARS-CoV-2 is unknown. The first human cases of COVID-19, the coronavirus disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, were first reported from Wuhan City, China, in December 2019. All SARS-CoV-2 isolated from humans to date are closely related genetically to coronaviruses isolated from bat populations, specifically, bats from the genus Rhinolophus. SARS-CoV, the cause of the SARS outbreak in 2003, is also closely related to coronaviruses isolated from bats. These close genetic relations suggest that they all have their ecological origin in bat populations. Bats in the Rhinolophus genus are found across Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. SARS-CoV-2 is not genetically related to other known coronaviruses found in farmed or domestic animals. The analysis of the virus genome sequences also indicates that SARS-CoV-2 is very well adapted to human cell receptors, which enables it to invade human cells and easily infect people. All the published genetic sequences of SARS-CoV-2 isolated from human cases are very similar, suggesting that the start of the outbreak resulted from a single-point introduction in the human population around that the virus was first reported in humans in Wuhan, China. The analyses of the published genetic sequences further suggest that the spillover from an animal source to humans happened during the last quarter of 2019.